everybody, Collier Swecker in Birmingham, Alabama. Hope everybody's having an awesome day. Wanted to touch base with everybody about Fannie Mae's decision to stop insuring loans or accepting loans that are foreclosures in Alabama. In other words, you're no longer going to be able to purchase a loan backed by Fannie Mae if it's in a redemption period. And in Alabama, we have one of the longest in the country redemption periods for folks that have been foreclosed on to come back and redeem their property out of foreclosure. This decision by Fannie Mae effectively eliminates one of the largest resources other than FHA of getting a loan on a home. In other words, it's going to be much harder and much more difficult to get a loan on a home that is currently a foreclosure, and this is due in part to the fact that they say that it's a permanent defect on title to the property, that they say it's incurable as long as there's a redemption period still on the property. So before Fannie Mae would accept it, and the lender could just waive over it coverage with by the title insurance company getting a redemption bond to cover the title insurance, and there were ways around it, but no longer. Now, the good news, a bright side of this is there's always a entrepreneur or somebody that says, hey, I'm going to come in and I'm going to create a product that takes care of that. A lot of our local brokers have found investors that, when I say brokers, I mean mortgage brokers, have found, I guess, money investors, mortgage investors that will actually hold the notes on these properties up and until the redemption time is over. Then I guess they sell it via to another investor via Fannie Mae backed loan package of some kind. But so there are options out there available. We think that it is going to slow things down a bit. So we'll be really interested to see how this totally affects it, and expect Freddie Mac and those guys to follow suit shortly thereafter, leaving us really with FHA. And it should slow down. If you're a house flipper, you really need to monitor this, because you might be able to buy it with cash or however you plan on buying it. But when folks need a loan and they can't go FHA for some reason, what's the most common way for people to buy a house? Via Fannie Mae backed loan. They're no longer going to be able to directly through Fannie Mae. So really pay attention if you're flipping. If you got questions, comments, or you disagree with what I've had to say, email me, Collier@megaagentrealestate.com. Have an awesome day.